Welcome. In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to use Shortcuts application on iPhone. So if you're new to iPhones and you don't know how to use iPhone features, here is the great example of what you can start with, which is the Shortcuts application. In order to add a new shortcut, click the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen, then name a shortcut. In my case, I'm gonna create a shortcut that's gonna notify another person when I'm gonna arrive home. So I'm gonna name this shortcut "I'll be home" at, and then let's search for the actions. And first action is get travel time. So basically all the actions name are very intuitive, so it's easy to find them. So for example, let's get walking time from current location to end location, and as an end location you can either input your home address if you have it saved, or maybe let's find the home location on maps. So open maps, and for example, let's say that my home is right here. Just copy this address details, enter this address right here, click done, and now let's create another action which will be text. So in which we'll write "I'll be home at," and let's add a variable which will be the travel time. And now send message, and as you can see, Apple already knows what I want to do. So it says send text to recipients. Let's leave the recipients blank so we can text this to whoever we want. Now let's click done, and at this point let's tap right here to see how it works. As you can see, a new message was created, and the text says "I'll be home at 4 days, 20 hours and 8 minutes. And now we can choose the recipient to who we want to send this text. For example, to contact, and then we can send this text easily, and we don't have to calculate or do nothing. And basically you can do whatever you want here. You can get the weather forecast in the morning, or maybe you want to share your locations with someone quickly. Basically, maybe you want to enable some device when you shut your alarm in the morning. Basically whatever you like, and it's pretty easy and it's pretty intuitive. So if you're starting with Apple, that's great for you, and I hope that I helped you diving into the Apple features. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.